On the 30th and 31st of December 2023, a grand celebration took place in the fishing village of Ao Makhampom, near Mae Phim in Rayong, Thailand, to mark the end of the year 2023. For several days prior, preparations were evident. Numerous parking spaces were created, and signs announcing the event were placed everywhere. Lights were installed to guide the way to the festival grounds. On the square, there was a stage where multiple bands performed. In addition, there were many stalls offering food and drinks. It was a festive and enjoyable celebration for everyone. However, I also noticed that some people were fishing, as not everyone is inclined to be a partygoer.
It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long. Caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. Seems as strange as when the leaves began to change. Oh, how we thought those days would never end. Sometimes I hear that song
10,
and I
9,
start to sing
8,
along.
7,
And I
6,
sing
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
we were smoking funny things, making love. It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long. Caught somewhere between a boy and man.